What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all doing great. And in this video, we'll take a look at Bitcoin. We'll take a look at the short-term objectives, kind of Bitcoin, of what we have to do and what I expect. But we'll also zoom out to gain more of a more fundamental overview of everything that's going on with Bitcoin. In my eyes, it's been relatively bullish. It's I mean, obviously we've just been consolidating after that resistance touch off of this 236 pip, which I should now drag down, by the way. But off of this resistance level at around 17,000, we've just been consolidating on top of well, basically the 236 pip around 16,750. And we're relatively solid above that. I mean, you can see, and I do see that, and you could argue that there's some bearish momentum because we're respecting these EMAs fairly well. So the red line and the silver line, that's true, but still, as I said, we are holding our support levels right now. I mean, I could even, but it gets pretty messy if I do that. But like this is the main support level right now. See, if that breaks, the market circumstances change, and I didn't want to talk about that because of that bearish momentum, or not bearish momentum, but it's like the bearish pressure. I didn't want to talk about it because, as you can see, my analysis has been this for the last like 2-3 days, and I still think this is the most likely scenario. And the reason for that is, and so this scenario is that we found resistance at 17,000. That will kind of consolidate between 16,600 and 17,000, and then at some point will break above 17,000 to proceed to go back up to 17,400 and 17,600. And then there we'll find resistance, and we'll probably start up some sort of a consolidation for a while. Because that level is just too strong, I think, right now. But the reason why I expect this is because the fundamentals line up well. The fundamentals right now, the main thing I'm looking at is the dollar strength index, which is negatively correlated with Bitcoin, and you can see that that's been in a very strong downtrend, right? So that means that that's bullish for Bitcoin. I think the moment we actually put in a lower low, so that we confirm the downtrend once more, I think then we can get that bullish breakout. And apart from that, I mean, one of the big reasons why the fundamentals for Bitcoin were bearish is because there was and still is a lot of fear in the crypto markets, right? Regarding multiple things, exchanges, crypto companies falling. So that fear is still there, but I do think that fear over time diminishes, right? So the longer we stay down here, the less fear there is. And as I said, the economic fundamentals look decent. So what I expect is still this, but however, as I said, what I wanted to talk about, that if for some reason, and that could be anything, it could be bearish fundamentals, which I cannot predict. I mean, I cannot predict if the digital coin group goes bankrupt tomorrow, right? At least not with my knowledge. But the moment, see, it's completely possible if we drop down to 16,600. I'd say that that's valid, but the moment we drop down to this level, so that we really break below 16,600 and that we drop down to 16,300 and 400, then first of all, I do want to get that clear, I was wrong. But if that happens, I just want to prepare you for all the different scenarios. Then what happens is that, well, if the fundamentals are really bearish, we'll drop down to 16,000, but probably if it's just a technical move, we'll just kind of consolidate down here, and the move of and the breakout above 17,000 is probably not happening soon. So yeah, but that's my take on Bitcoin for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.